How's the game going?
Oh, it's going good.
As the principal designer of Zomato, we would love to know what are the design tools that you use to level up your game. Will you do 3 things with POE?
Yes, for sure.
Let's do it. What are the 3 things that define Zomato's design philosophy?
So when we are designing for customers, merchants, or even riders, app should be very simple to use. Second thing is it should be functional. Any function that you want to complete should be easily done. And the third thing is all the design, images, videos, audio nudges, buttons, colors should be high in contrast. So it's clearly visible.
3 core UI UX principles that you follow as a designer.
Number 1 is control. So when the user is using the app, he should feel in control of the app. Second is consistency. The buttons, colors, all the functions should have consistent action. And number 3 is clarity. And the fourth is transparency. So for example, when you are using Zomato, you want to make the payment, there should be absolute transparency.
3 ways you are using AI and ML in design and product.
So for customers, based on your current orders or even past orders, Zomato prompts you the kind of restaurants you are most likely to order. For delivery partners, what we do is we show them the specific hotspots where they are most likely to get an order.
Right.
And for merchants, we've created a website where they can see the trends, the kind of cuisine they should keep in their restaurant.
Kind of menu that is most likely to sell out.
Yes, correct.
3 AI tools that you love using as a designer.
ChatGPT, it gives you the best copy reference. Midjourney, it is used to get high quality images. Claude, it will give you a wireframe of the design you want.
3 ways you align design with Zomato's witty marketing.
We keep the app very interactive. So whenever there is an IPL match or any other match, we created a game where users can score points. We also onboarded Harbhajan and Shrisan.
Because everyone is aware of their history on ground.
Yes. And another one is we wanted our users and customers to predict the Prime Minister. So that was another huge hit for us.
3 things you learned from the days that you became a delivery partner yourself.
So we are doing deliveries today and we've completed 2 orders. One is when the delivery partner has to collect food from the restaurant. The queue is very long. Sometimes food is not ready. We are waiting at Home Sweets since last 15 minutes and we still don't know what is the status of the order. On the customer side, the location is not correct. So we've picked our 4th order from Pind Baluchi and we are heading to customer's location. And at the gate also there are various problems he has to face with the guard and all.
So how do you design when they're out on the road in traffic?
I just completed my 2nd order. It was 6.5 kilometers away. Lot of traffic, road conditions are very bad. We've kept the contrast very high. We've used black and white colors, big bold images and fonts so that it is easily visible.
So 3 apps that you love personally for its design.
Number 1 is Uber. I love their high contrast design. Their buttons, their fonts are big. Illustrations are extremely clean, correct. The kind of animations they've put in, that has added a lot of delight for the customer. Airbnb, the quality of images of the houses, experiences, and the 3D icons they've put, it looks amazing.
3 non-design skills that every designer should master.
Number 1 is storytelling. Number 2 is tech fluency. And number 3 is if you know how the business overall will earn profit, then you will be able to design better for your customer.
So 3 pieces of advice that you will give to young designers today.
Be sincere and honest with your crafts. Keep working hard. Results will follow. Keep yourself updated with the latest industry designs and the news and updates.
And finally, what are the 3 things that you do outside design that recharges your creativity and your mind?
So I love playing sports. I play cricket every weekend. I love working out 5 days a week. I listen to music. I do painting and sketching. Going for long rides.
Great. Thank you so much, Shoaib, for all of those insights, and I'm sure those will be very valuable for all the designers who are looking at making a career in design. And if you have more questions that you would like to ask Shoaib, drop in the comments and I'll make sure that he answers those as well.